benefit from it, guys. Yeah. 34. The diagram below shows how Tani spends her earnings in 1 month. This one looks so familiar. I think this came on the last paper. Different numbers though. If Tani spent 20,000 on mortgage for the month, about how much did she spend on food?
Sir, she spent 1/3.
$5,000.
1/3 of what? 1/3 of
So explain how that.
none.
Sir, 8,000.
Do you think she spent at
8,000
least
is not there. 8,000 is there?
15,000?
Yes, sir. But sir, that 5,000.
Sir, I think
I think
Oh, 8,000
I
is
think
there.
it's
Somebody say
5,000.
8,000, sir. 8,000.
that's false, sir.
And you guys double check it. You put
Sir, I
it in
got
there, guys, and make it make
Sir,
sense.
sir,
5,000.
sir,
Alright, the person that says 5,000, explain how you got the 5,000.
Sir, because as it says, if she spent 20,000 on mortgage, that and bill is like a quarter, so that means it's since the half of 20,000 is 10,000, and savings and food make 10,000, so that means and food and savings are 8, and the half of 10,000 is 5,000. That means food is 3,000.
I say 8,000 because it
you
looks
say
like
5,000, sir.
Sir, I say 5,000.
Alright, well, yeah,
I say
more
8,000.
8,000 reason. The person that says 8,000, give us.
Because it
Give
looks
me
like
8,000.
1/8. Because it looks like 1/8.
5,000.
It look like. But guys, we can use calculation based on the fact that they give you this. They give you this to be 20,000.
I would say what plus what can give you 20,000.
Sir,
It's 5,000. Could I spend 5,000?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Alright, so what I realized when I observe experiment, mortgage is 20,000. So that means I only have 20,000 to both. So adding it up, it will be 40,000. So going back to bills now, since it's 20,000, so it will be 10,000. It will be 10,000. The savings and food will be split into the 10,000, which gives me 5,000. So that is without doing the math.
I agree, Kimberly. I would say it's 5,000, guys.
sir,
Remember, mortgage is half, guys. It's half. So that means this would be a quarter of the entire thing, which is a half of this. That means this would be 10. So the two of these is gonna share for the 10. And we can see that it's down the middle. So it has to be 5. So this is 5, this is 5, which this side gives us the 20 and that. I agree that it is 5. I'm a bit surprised persons would say 8. And then, you understand, guys? Because even if it look like it, they actually give us the measurement where we can actually work it out. That one came on a paper before. So we go for one like that on the exam.
it came on the 2021.
Yeah, but I think the numbers were different. So guys, notice how slow I'm going. I'm not just giving you the answers because the answers alone is not sufficient. It's how to do it, how to reproduce. If you get a question like that, how you approach and answer it. Alright? Very important, guys. Very important.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Alright, let's look at 35. Shane had 10 pieces of ribbon. He cut some of them into 4 pieces. As a result, he now has 28 pieces of ribbon. How many pieces of ribbon were cut? I want you guys to WhatsApp that one to me. I like that one. Tell me what your answer is. I like this one, guys. I really like this one. Please ensure you have your books and you're writing down and you're doing it, alright? you can WhatsApp that one to me, please, and then we can discuss.
Sir, I'm typing to send it to you directly, and it says Lennox Bennett is not in this meeting.
Oh, it's because
Just,
just
refresh it. Just refresh it.
exactly. Just go back and press Linux embedded and just send it back to him.
Yeah,
we
thanks,
can
guys. It worked.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody has said this particular answer so far.
Answer BTW. By the way, I sent mine in the chat. I soon start to be able to send mine in WhatsApp because my phone is almost fully charged.
Okay. Guys, why am I not seeing the real answer? I'm not seeing the real answer.
That's what I'm saying.
So I don't really understand that now, but I tried.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't see the real answer, but I see one very close to it. So I don't know if they made an error with this one.
Maybe they made an error.
All right. The person that was trying to send me the direct message, you can just tell me. I realize not many
Sir, I
persons
got
try this one.
6.
I got 6
Wait, sir.
too.
I see
Sir,
everybody
can we
gets
just
6, but guys,
No,
would it be
sir.
6
No,
now?
sir. Listen to me, sir.
It's
Let
can't
me
go
tell
into
you how
6.
I got 6.
Sir, I
Sir,
got 6
I
and
drew up the pieces of ribbon, sir. Then I cut them into 4 pieces each. Then I count the pieces that I cut along with the full pieces, and the pieces that I cut, I got 6 to get 28 pieces.
Well, it's actually supposed to be 7 though.
I'm thinking it should be
So I'm
7.
saying it could be 7.
It should
One,
be.
two, three, four,
It should be
five,
7
six,
because
seven,
4
eight,
7s is 28, and it was supposed to be like
nine,
4.
10.
It's divided the 28 by 4, and I got 7. And remember, 28 can go into 4. You would have it's 4.
No, man. All right, look at it this way, guys. This is how I approach it.
6.
Sir,
I add 10 ribbons, right?
6, sir.
So if I use 1 out of it,
That's going to be able
I would have 9, right? If I cut up 1, I would have 9 now.
to
Oh, hold on, the guys.
sir, draw the 10. Sir, draw the 10 ribbons.
Sir,
Then
you
cut
know,
them up into 4 pieces.
sir, the only reason
That's
why
how I got my 6.
6 could work, you know. Let me tell you why I think
I
it
got
probably could work.
6.
yeah.
Because you're still gonna get 1 out of.
Sir, can I tell you my answer now?
Yeah, man.
Sir, so I put down 10 and then I take away 4 from it and I got 6. I think 6 is the answer.
Okay. Alright, so let us figure it out, guys. I was thinking it has to be 7, but probably not necessarily. So this is our 10 ribbons, right? And they say that we're gonna cut it up, each one of them, 4 pieces. So you have 1, 2, 3, so that's 9 plus 1, 10. So if we cut up this in 4 now, 1, 2. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 9 other pieces, right? So we cut up these now. So we'd have 8 now, and 8 other ones. That's what I was doing first. I still think it's 7, I think they made an error, man.
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Making
Draw,
So this will be
sir,
12
draw
now.
10 pieces of things that look like paper. And instead they cut them into 4 pieces, sir. Sir,
Sir,
draw 10 things that look like paper. Draw 10 squares.
No, man, but
no,
we
rectangles, dry
use
rectangles,
the
that's
string.
better.
We use the string itself, so we can reason it out.
Sir, but you cut it 3 times. It's supposed to be 4.
No, but
When
it's
you
more.
cut it 3
but-
times, you get 4 pieces.
Yeah, that is it.
Sure, I think the reason why they put 6 is
Sir, I
because they
think
can
it's 6.
cut all of them in 4 pieces. They maybe cut some of them in like
It should be
6.
7, man. I'm sure. I check it out, and I use the mathematical way. Let me show you what I was doing
Yeah.
first. I was just reasoning it out like this. It should be 7. 6 would not be enough to give you 28. Let me show you why. Reason it out with me, guys. You guys are mathematicians, so make a reason it out. We have 10 pieces, a ribbon. We don't cut up none, so that's a 0. If we cut up 1 piece, we'd have 9 leave. And this one would be in 4. So 9 plus 4, you would have 13 pieces. Agree?
Yes, sir.
We cut
Yes,
another
sir.
one.
No, sir, the answer is 3, sir.
3?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So the only reason I think they put 6 days because they said they didn't cut all of them in 4 pieces exactly. They cut some of them. So maybe they cut the other ones
Alright,
in
work
more
with
than
it, guys. Look at it.
2
We can see
pieces.
it from this. So if you cut
Sir,
up,
what is
8,
7?
you cut up 2 pieces, you're gonna get 8.
Sir, I'm tell you how I got 7, sir.
So you now have 8 pieces. Because you cut off 1, So you're gonna have 8 plus 8. So why this has a 17? Because if you have 13 plus 4, but on a 4 you get all the time. 1 I got just do the same way. If you cut up 7, if you cut up 3, it means you have 7. So you add this now, which give you 29. No, 19. If you have 6, and you add the next 4 pieces, that would be 16. That would be 22. So we still don't reach it yet. So we can cut up another one. If you have 5 now, you're gonna add another 4 to this, which is 20. So that would be 25. If you cut up our next one now, you're gonna have 4 pieces left, and then this would be 24, which give you 28. Bop, 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 bop. It's solid, man. 6 of them give you exactly 20.
Yes! I knew it!
I would say, yeah.
I knew it!
I was
Oh.
thinking more, but then
I knew it. I knew
Yeah,
it.
it's 28. 28 is
I had
solid.
a
I was
feeling, but
thinking
then I
7.
realized it.
Yeah. I was thinking 7, but it's correct.
I knew it.
28 by 7 instead.
Yeah. Alright. Let's look at this one now,
So
guys.
can I do the graph one, please?
Come on, go ahead. You want to do it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can I do 38?
Yeah, you can. Alright, go ahead and do the graph one.
Yeah.
The graph shows the rainfall in inches of 2 tons over a 5-month period. Use it to answer items 36 to 37.
Excuse me, sir.
Graph.
Sir, could you explain why?
Oh, you want me to go down further?
Sir, my answer is A.
Graph showing monthly rainfall in which month was ton A drier than ton B? Sir, I think I say it's April because in ton B when it was April, their rainfall was 3, and in town A it was about
No,
2.
no, something wrong.
Kinda.
Say something wrong with this.
That means wrong? Why you say that?
Say because tone A is April and tone B is also April.
No, that's because the
No
both
man,
of them
what is
rainfall
happening,
in
guys? The graph
April
is
and
showing tone A in comparison with tone B. So this is tone A. See the key here? Look to the right. You see this where I have my cursor? This is the key. So that's how you know which one.
Yes, sir.
So you can, when you have your paper, guys, label it like this. This is tone A.
Says because
You can write on the paper, and this is tone B. You see that, guys? Don't be afraid to write on the paper.
I do number 37?
Yeah, but we
Sir,
don't
I
see
did
it yet,
not.
guys. Focus on 36. What's the answer for 36?
36 is A because
A.
it is April, because in town A when it was April the inches was 2 and in town B it was 3, so it
All
was
right,
more.
let us see if it's correct. So, guys,
It
these
is
are the
pretty much
measurements for
right.
tone A and B for April. Let us see if that is correct. So, it's in which month was tone A drier? Drier means the less rainfall. So, tone A, that was 2. Was 2
okay, sir, I
months
see it now,
of
sir.
rainfall, while, yeah, it's April. Correct.
Okay, so we can do the next one now.
Anybody else want to do it? I don't want one person to do everything doing it, guys.
So I said I wanted
Okay,
to do
okay.
number 37.
All right, go ahead. I like when different persons, right? Because I want everyone to be involved. Persons who are shy,
Number
don't be shy, guys.
37
If you're
says,
shy.
number
Nobody's
37,
bashing you.
number 37 says, which of the following best describes the rainfall pattern of Town B for the 5-month period?
Let me go back up.
So can you
Guys.
go to the,
Yeah.
yes sir.
Which of the following best describe the rainfall pattern of tone B? So notice it's a tone.
What will it increase?
Go back down to the words now.
You can go back to the
No,
options.
All right, let me go back
no
down
one
to the
is
words.
So I would say D, fluctuating, because fluctuating means that it goes up, down, up, down. It doesn't stay steadily.
That is it.
Yeah, that's right.
It's very
I
good.
think it's
Yeah.
D2,
You
sir.
cannot say
I
it's
agree.
increasing because it's
I
going
very
up
much
and down. You cannot say it's steady
This
Sir, when,
because
sir, when it went up, it actually in 2 months it came back down in the other. When
yeah,
it
it's
went
continuously doing that.
it came
It
back
goes
down.
up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's what we call fluctuating. It's not consistent. So it go up, it go down. Very good, very good. All right. Let's look at 38.
Sir, somebody asked to do
Yeah,
somebody
man.
asked to
The
do it
person,
before.
Excuse me,
Kayla, give not Kayla.
I want to say
Who's that person? Somebody's not giving the
So
others a
excuse me,
chance. Let's
sir.
please give them a chance.
No, sir, I'm asking a question.
Okay, go ahead. No, man, it wasn't you. I'm sorry.
Sir, sir, when are we gonna take a break?
We can take it 11, guys. 6 minutes. So let's do these two
Okay.
and then we take the break. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. 11. All right, go ahead for 38. I want the new persons to be involved, persons who just joined in the class.
A bag has a certain number of white, red, and yellow cards. Half of the cards are white, and there's the same number as red cards as there are yellow cards. Which of the following could be the number of cards in the bag? What? Well, we can a little. Well, if it's half. Well, it could be. It has to be an even number first of all.
Wait, no, guys, give her a chance. I'll give him a chance.
It has to be an even number first of all. So we can eliminate C. But for the other, but we have 4 even numbers, that makes it a little tricky. But and we can eliminate B because half of 14 is 7, and even if you do, and it said the same number of red cards and yellow cards. And if you even split 7, you're not gonna get the same number. That just leaves A and D. And those two. And well, you can do the same thing for both. You're still gonna get the same. You're basically getting the same number for like both of them.
What's the answer?
D, sir.
I would say D.
D.
Sir,
Why
I
am I
disagree
thinking it's
with you.
A?
I say
it's A too.
I see.
I mean,
sir.
You're on the right
Or
part. You
D.
said it. It cannot be 14. Hold on. The same thing for 14 is the same thing for 18. Because if you split 18, you're gonna get 9, and then you can't split the 9.
Yes, sir.
I was thinking you're gonna go and just finish on that part.
Yeah, it's 4.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely 4 because when you split 4, you get 2, and then each one get 1. But just finish it, man. You're on the right part. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, but you didn't choose the right answer. I guess you guys are getting tired. All right, let's look at 39. Tasha noticed that, not including herself, there were twice as many girls as boys in his class. Which of the numbers below could be the number of students in Tasha's class? Be careful, you know, guys.
Sir, the
We have to go back up to 38
38.
to see if a number of students if they are both connected.
No, man, it's different.
No,
So
they're not connected.
they didn't say
Wait a
it.
minute.
It's different.
So no,
It's a fresh question. Tasha noticed that not including herself. So she excluded. That's very important, you know. She's excluded, not including herself. There are twice as many girls as boys. But then say is. Why them use the word is? Tasha now one girl. I think that should be her. Yeah, I see they said not including herself. There were twice as many girls as boys in her. This should be her, because they did say up here, so herself. Just up here. Alright, so don't make that throw you off, guys. This should be her. So Tasha noticed that, not including herself, there were twice as many girls as boys in her class. Which of the numbers below could be the number of students in Tasha's class? Why this looks so tricky?
So something is definitely wrong with that question. I don't like that question.
No, man, I think it can work. Think about it. If the total is 21, right? And there are 2 times as many girls as boys, not including herself.
You got it.
Couldn't it be 14 girls and 7 boys? Would that be solid?
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that makes very much sense.
Because they said excluding her, so she's not included. If we had 24, yeah, if we had 24,
It has to be 10 minutes.
it would be what, 16 or 8. So I don't see what's up with this question. It's 31.
31, sir, 31 would have been 15.5, I think. Yeah,
This
15.5.
couldn't work. 20. This couldn't work. But why you come like a 2 answer today? I don't understand that.
Exactly.
Really? No, sir, there's no two answer.
No, because for 24, it could have been 16 boys, 16 girls, and 8 boys.
Oh, yeah, because 16 plus 8 can give you 24.
Yeah. And the same thing with 14 and 7. Because remember, she's not included.
And 14 plus 7 also gives you 32. Wow.
I guess I wonder if it's a double option something where we choose more than one answer.
Well, it didn't say that, so maybe something is wrong.
I think
Yes, sir, just pick one.
Both of these actually solid.
Alright. Alright.
So unless we are supposed to. Oh, it did say numbers. It did say numbers, guys. See there? It says which of the numbers.
Birds.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well,
More
sir,
than one
what
answer.
do you think
All
it's
right, check
A
it
and
out
A?
for 38, guys. Check it out for 38. Could it work?
No, sir. 38, 119, 19, sir. Twice as many as 19.
Means
That's 38, sir. It could
No,
never be
couldn't work. It
38.
couldn't work.
Could never be.
Because half of 38 is 19 and twice as many as
Yeah,
that
so
is
are
not
these
good.
two.
That
38
is
wouldn't fit the
20.
category. Somebody check it out for 38.
It's going
Because
to
to
be
be honest, I
21.
didn't really check it out thoroughly, you know. All right. So guys,
Sir,
after
20.
this, we take the break and come back. All right. Paula is following a secret pattern as to when she visits the dentist. She goes in January, March, June, and October. In which 2 months will her next 2 visits? Follow the pattern, follow the pattern, follow the pattern.
Sir, they'll tell like the skip
My answer is 21.
It's more than one answer.
Yes, sir, 21. Sir, but that cannot work.
21 and 20.
22.
January is the first month, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the third.
Sir, you go 2 months and then you go 3 months and then
October is the 10th month.
Sir, you got 3, then you got 2, then you got what at 4?
So you plus 2 first, then you plus 3,
Then you plus 4.
then you plus 4. That means that from October you're gonna plus 5.
So you should go
October,
next
November,
year.
December, January,
February.
So
February. February
I'm
and
gonna go
July.
with D.
yeah.
Yeah. All right,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
So this is one of the people. We complete one. Just come back and then we're going to complete the rest. How many minutes you need, guys?
March and September.
I'm thinking about. Can you guys come back 11:15? Everyone just are 11:20. Yeah. So those your eyes need a break too. So come back 11:20, guys. All right.
Sir, then we're gonna do another whole plotting.
Yeah, we are gonna do even part of another piece. All right. I know normally keep you guys over 2 hours, but remember I was off to a late start. We can go up.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to do the language art part after this? After break.
That I was thinking the maths part, because with normally you guys do so excellent with the language part, so I don't think that's the major problem, I think the maths part is more of a